How to fix and solve videos not showing on Pocket FM app. Now, first things first is you'll have to make sure that your Pocket FM application is updated to its latest version. So let's go ahead and head to your Play Store and then look for the app right here, Pocket FM. Now, if you tap on Pocket FM audio series, you'll be able to know if the specific application requires an update because there will be a visible button that says update. Now, it does not show on my end because I have already updated this application on my phone. So once you do, you just gotta go ahead and rerun and check if the video is already showing. And if not, just go ahead to your phone home and go to settings, scroll down a bit, go to apps, manage apps, and search for Pocket FM right here. Now, what you want to do here is just simply clear all data. Now, there will be a pop-up once you hit on clear all data. You'll have to comply those two options, clear all data and then clear all cache. Now, once you've done that, just simply rerun your application, and if the issue still persists, just simply uninstall the application and install it again. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix and solve videos not showing on Pocket FM application.